What's up, everybody? Today we are headed down 236, otherwise known as Big Basin Way, to the Big Basin National Park. If you want to see some big redwood trees, sequoias, this is where you want to be. This road's nice and windy. Does turn into a one-lane road, so it can be a little bit treacherous. But aside from that fact, pretty fun. Great for a dual sport such as this. Got the dirt tires on here still. It would be possibly better even with the Supermoto. Certainly better, I would think. It's a tight one. And here's where you lose the second lane. And being a national park, you've got quite a few vehicles on the road, unfortunately. So I'd advise taking it fairly easy from here. Lots of hiking trails. It's really what Big Basin is about. I believe there's some camping nearby. Some picnic spots, day use, whatnot. Yeah, if you just had free reign on this road, it'd be amazing on a Supermoto. Spent the last weekend pulling out a big plum tree from the neighbor's yard. Kind of almost halfway between my yard and the neighbor's yard, but it's really their tree, but helped to pull it out. So no footage, no filming that weekend. Starting to cool down a bit around here, so finding time to ride, at least to enjoy a ride, is becoming a little bit slimmer. But it's warm now. It's supposed to be 80 degrees in Boulder Creek at some point, though it's still a little on the chilly side. And it is, what is it? I think it's maybe almost 12 o'clock. That might be interesting. Nope. Gated off. Gates open there. I don't know what that is. Seems as though you might find horses around here too, though I haven't seen any. widens up a little here. And then tightens back down. Very enjoyable road, just gets a little murky with the traffic. China grade road. I've got a little video from a while back. Actually, that may have been one of my first few videos. That's a pretty rough one. Good for the dual sport setup. It's paved. Not really any dirt. Lots of potholes. Lots of fire roads off of all these roads, but they're all closed to traffic. Unfortunately. Sometimes people move out of your way. Still crossing over the line. Not sure what's worse, minivans or pickup trucks. We're just about to the entrance. Yeah, here we are, everybody. Big Basin National Forest. Come out here and do some hiking, picnic. I believe camping is not too far away. So, yeah, like and subscribe.